Yeah, let me check I am live or not. Guys, wait a second. Let me check. Let me check. Yep. I'm live. I'm live. Okay, then let's go. Here also, I need to check. Yeah, let's go. So today, what we are doing? Let me set my camera. Interstitious and forward. Yeah, today we will be doing code forces. Yeah, I did that question yesterday night. I was feeling quite underconfident in that question, but still I somehow I managed to figure it out. I googled it and I saw some videos on YouTube, but it was quite hard to get. But I'm sure you guys won't feel it hard. For me, it was hard. I am not sure about you that it could be the easiest question for some of you guys. Yeah, let me take to you that problem. It was something like wonderful sticks or something. Yeah. Wonderful sticks, as I mentioned in the in this, I mentioned in the title, na? Wonderful strings. Bro, I don't know why this code forces take so much time on for opening. No need, man. Even this question was a bit easier one. I tried to do it, but there was a single test case in which I was failing. So I dropped this question. I'll recheck this question again and soon we will complete it. On rule 6, yeah, decided tomorrow. Yesterday. Oh man. Hmm. So let me explain you what this question says. This question basically says that there would be input in two manners, like one would be this less than sign and one would be the greater than sign. So in this situation, this says that you have given an array, and if you are on the I plus 1th index, that particular index should be this smaller than all of the indices before. Like let me explain you on this accelerator. Okay, so this says that you are given such a string like, okay, so there would be total of four numbers. Okay, so This string says that let me take an array, sample array. It would be 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4. Okay, we will start it filling from the last one. Okay, if the what the last one says, if this is the all the elements should be larger than its before. Like if we need to fill this, if we need to fill this fourth element, it should it should be that element from which all the elements should be larger that are placed before it. Like these all first three all elements should be greater than. So common sense says that it should be 1, and then the sign is greater than this one sign, less than greater than sign, less than sign. It says that I plus 1 must be smaller than all the sticks before. Okay, sorry guys, sorry guys. This sign says that this string should be greater, larger than all the strings before. So obviously it would be the fourth. And this one, this particular sign says that all the strings present before should be the larger. Am I doing something wrong, guys? Guys, I am also a bit confused. This says that this sign, greater than sign, says that I plus 1 should be larger than all the sticks before. Like it should be the larger than all the sticks before. So all the sticks before. So all the sticks before it should be 4. And this should be smaller. What is that? And this sign is that it must be smaller than all the sticks before. So obviously we need to place here the smallest element 1, and same the other thing says that it should be smaller than all the element present before it will be 2, and the left one will be 3. 3 to 1 4. This would be the answer. Similarly, we would take an example of from the test case given in the code forces only. 5. 5. Okay, so there would be 4, 5 answers. What this sign says? This sign says that all the element present before it must be smaller than all, must be smaller. So obviously here the greatest element would come. Here 5 would be placed. What he says, must be larger than all the sticks before. Must be smaller. I am sorry guys. I am doing it opposite. Opposite. All the sticks should be. It must be smaller than all the sticks before it. Okay. It must be smaller than all the sticks before it. Yeah. Yani ki this one is smaller than all the sticks before. And this one would be larger than all the sticks before. No? Larger than all the sticks before. And this one would say should be smaller than all the sticks before. And similarly, it would also say it should be larger, as it should be smaller than all the sticks before. And here the left one would come 4. Got my point? This this is how this array needs to be solved. Okay. Mm, yeah. So the approach by which we can find the answer is like that. Assume that there are 2 pointers. One would be for plus, mark it p, mark it p, int p, int p is equal to 0, and 1 should be for minus. Let me tell you what I'm trying to and here if you see guys, if you see, yeah, leave this. Okay, this is the answer for this array, and there could be this answer also. Hmm. Yeah, start. What if we start with 0, and after that what this sign says, what this sign says, and must be smaller than all the sticks before it, must be smaller than all the sticks before it. It means it should be smaller than 0. What is smaller than 0? Minus 1. Okay. And again the same sign, here the same sign, it says should be smaller than all the sticks before. What should become, what should the answer? Minus 2. And again what this sign says, must be larger than all the sticks before. Largest is 0, so here the answer should come like 0 plus 1. 1, it is larger than all the sticks before. And at the last point, and at the last point what is it is saying that must be smaller than all the sticks before. So what could be the possible answer? Minus 3. Yeah. So guys, did you notice that pattern? If if this sign is present, then we are doing minus minus minus, else we are doing plus plus p. यानी कि we are, if this sign is present, then we are decrementing that counter or pointer. If this if the other sign, this sign is present, then we are incrementing the pointer. Done. So so you might be thinking, how could we find the answer from this array? what if what if we do that for every element, like on 0 we say, we say 0, 0 is ith element, uh, 0 minus uh, minus this m1, because m1 is the maximum enough, so minus m plus 1 plus 1. Okay, because at some point the 0 would also, the 0 would also be equal to minus m, right? There there the answer would be 1. You might not be getting it what I'm trying to say, but it will make sense for you. Keep listening what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the answer would 0 minus, अंदर आ जाएगा -3 plus 1. Okay, so answer would be 0, 0 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this is for the index of I. This is of I. Index of I means first index. First index. Okay, for second we can say that -1 minus minus -3 plus 1. So the answer would be minus minus 1 plus 3 plus 1, it would be 3. See, keep saying, man. Slowly, we would make this array as our answer. Okay. And if we do 2 minus 2, no? Minus 2 minus 3 plus 1, it would become our answer like 2. Okay. Similarly, for 1, it would be like minus 3 plus 1. It would become like 1 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 5. Okay. And hear me out. And for for making it 1, it would be like minus 3 min minus 3 plus 1. It is like minus 3 plus 3 plus 1. The answer is 1. So how you might be wondering how we formed this equation that uh, array arr of I minus m plus 1, because we wanted the lowest number to be 1, because at some point in the array there would be there would be a point where the answer would be like m, and m minus m is equal to 0 plus 1, so the answer would be 1. So this equation came from here because we wanted that the minimum number in our array should be 1. Okay, so the main thing in our code is this only. Okay, let me take to you to our code where we will be writing the code for this. It is, I think I mentioned here, it is 2096A. It is 2096A. Question, है ना? Yeah, let's go. 2096 a dot cpp. Yeah, let me clean the code for you guys. Yeah. What things we need to take as input? T, N, and string. Okay, T, N, and string. And string N. And we declare our two, one for minus if we want to minus, and one for plus if we want to do plus. Okay. Yeah. First, we need to iterate over the string for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and minus 1, and minus 1 if, wait a second. Yeah. If, and what we need to do is, yeah, s of 0. should be equal to 0 only. We are fixing that our zeroth index should be marked as 0 only. If s s of I plus 1 double equal to this different operator, we need to do that s of I plus 1 should be equal to minus minus m, and else condition s of I plus 1 should be equal to plus b. Done, guys? Yep. Now the array is all set. No, 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 no. I made a mistake. I made a mistake, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We need to make a vector in which our answer would be. I made a mistake here. Let me check where I made this submission. This should come. What, what I'm making a mistake is array should be open. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this is all done. And now we would run the for loop for our answer. See out. What we decided was factor of I minus m plus 1, and then What mistake I am making here? No mistake I am making, man. But I still don't know where I am lagging. Oh, fuck, man. Sorry, guys, for this silly errors. 2-1 आंसर होगा पूरा बयान जो बोलता हूँ. I did everything same, but still I am not able to figure out where am I making a mistake. Damn me, man. Yeah, all set, man. Let me explain it to you. What was the error I was doing? It was very silly error. Even I know even you guys won't do that error. I was making a mistake here that I was checking, iterating or checking like vector v, which I initiated here. But no, I need to check, compare this string, this if condition with while using the string s. Okay. And then I need to make the update or changes in vector v, array v, that I mentioned here. Okay. Then as we mentioned, like if this sign is present, then we would do minus minus, else we would plus increment that position. After that, based on the position, we would do this operation using the value of the position minus m plus 1. Got my point? Let's try to submit it again just for you guys, just to make you sure that it should be accepted, 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 man. Let's go. Done, boys. Yeah, so this this was all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll try to do two or more than two questions on live stream. Yeah, I'll prepare them beforehand, even though I'm stuck at 800 only, but still we guys need to complete this whole line. My goal is to complete this whole line, then only to move on 1000 or 900. Yeah, there are too many problems left. At least we need to do 4 or 5 problems in a day. But never mind. Guys, from tomorrow onwards, we will do it on a quite good pace. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Sayonara.